Number 1. Windshield wipers. We're not talking about cars here. This exercise is a great way to target your core muscles and burn belly fat. It works your rectus abdominis, obliques, and erector spinae, helping you build a strong and defined midsection. Perform this exercise by lying flat on your back with your arms extended out to the sides for support. Lift your legs so that your knees form a 90-degree angle with your hips. Slowly rotate your hips to one side, lowering your legs towards the floor without touching it. Bring your legs back to the center and rotate your hips to the other side, alternating between left and right. Complete 2 sets of this pattern, totaling 20 repetitions per side. Number 2. VUPs. V-ups are also known as the ultimate belly fat cutters. They combine the effectiveness of sit-ups and leg raises, providing a comprehensive workout for your core muscles. This dynamic movement maximizes muscle contraction, helping you achieve a toned and defined midsection. Start by lying on your back with your legs straight and your arms at your sides. Slowly raise your legs and torso off the ground, keeping your legs together and reaching your hands toward your feet. Reverse the motion to return to the starting position. The secret to maximizing the benefits of V-ups lies in holding the pose for at least 3 seconds. This ensures optimal muscle engagement and better results. For best outcomes, aim for 2 sets of 12 repetitions daily. Number 3. Superman hold. You might not become Superman by doing this exercise, but you'll definitely have a super flat tummy after adding it to your fitness routine. Perform by lying face down on the floor with your arms extended overhead and legs extended. Simultaneously lift your arms, legs, and chest off the floor, holding the position like Superman flying. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds, squeezing your lower back and glutes. Slowly return to the starting position. Incorporate 2 sets of 10 repetitions into your daily routine for maximum benefits. Number 4. Bicycle crunches. On your back, lift your shoulders off the mat and raise both legs. Bring one knee and the opposing elbow close to each other by crunching to one side and fully extend the other leg. Return to the starting position and then crunch to the opposite side. Repeat until the set is complete. Bicycle crunches are a fantastic way to boost your core strength, slim your waistline, and improve your stability and flexibility. This exercise targets your abs and obliques, while the constant movement keeps your heart rate elevated, burning more calories. Start with 2 sets of 12 to 20 repetitions daily. Number 5. Bird dogs. Get on your hands and knees, ensuring your back is flat and your knees are directly under your hips. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, keeping them parallel to the floor. Bring your right elbow and left knee towards each other, forming a diagonal line across your body. Extend your arm and leg back to the starting position. Repeat the same movement with your left arm and right leg. When you're aiming to really torch your core, you might automatically think of exercises like planks or crunches. But the bird dog exercise is a fantastic, often overlooked option. It offers a ton of benefits that make it a worthwhile addition to your routine. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to add these exercises to your daily routine. Show some love by liking, subscribing, and sharing with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.